Good evening, I'm Dr. Ryan Alba from Los Angeles, California. The Supreme Court of the United States of America has turned the Roe v. Wade, walking back over 50 years of precedents.
The court issuing that landmark ruling that this nation has been bracing for, and the Supreme Court has overturned Roe v. Wade, that they have eliminated the constitutional right to an abortion. And at first glance, this opinion is very similar to that draft opinion that we saw leaked just about a month and a half ago.
Today, we witnessed yet another dark day in the history of the United States, instigated by one of the most malicious minds in American politics, Mitch McConnell, who blocked President Obama's Supreme Court nominee, Merrick Garland, back in March of 2016.
Today, the Supreme Court of the United States expressly took away a constitutional right from the American people that it had already recognized. They didn't limit it, they simply took it away. That's never been done to a right so important to so many Americans. But they did it. It's a sad day for the court and for the country.
Today's decision affects everyone, Republicans and Democrats alike. It is a testament that a bunch of old white men still salivate at the idea of controlling women. Now, I had expressed my grave concern about the danger of such decisions a few weeks ago when the SCOTUS opinion was leaked. In short, it affects any privacy rights both men and women are currently enjoying. Rights such as marriage equality, LGBTQIA rights, contraception, and many more. I cannot reiterate enough the importance of voting, whatever happens at any level. While the officials bear some of the responsibility, the ultimate responsibility falls back on us, the voters. After all, we are the ones who elected them. That is why it is significantly important to get to know your party, your candidates, and most importantly, what you, the voters, stand for. It is our responsibility to ask the questions, to educate ourselves, to get informed, and to ultimately make more intelligent decisions. So long we have individuals among us who get their news and information from Facebook, Fox News, and the kinds of Tucker Carlson, we are left with no choice other than outvoting them. And no, I am not speaking about the conspiracy theory of replacement theory. I'm speaking about more educated, more informed, and more centrist individuals with the ability to think critically and more intelligently.
Democratic Senator Elizabeth Warren of Massachusetts. Senator, good to have you with us. You put out a statement. You tweeted, "Hold on to hope, don't give in to despair." And in a statement, you said Democrats have tools to fight back, from legislation in Congress to executive orders from the president to initiatives at the state and the local level. How effective do you think those measures are going to be?
Well, they're going to be just as effective as they need to be. Look, I am spitting mad over this. We have 6 extremist justices on the United States Supreme Court who have decided that their moral and religious views should be imposed on the rest of America. This is not what America wants. And in a democracy on this issue, the Supreme Court does not get the last word, the people do. And we are going to fight back. We've got tools, we're going to use them, and in November, we're going to make sure that we elect enough people who believe in that democracy that we can pass Roe versus Wade and make it the law of the land again, only this time we'll do it by statute and enforce it.
We are in dire need of the younger generation to step it up and run for public service offices at the local, state, county, and federal level. We, the new generation, hold the key to centrism. It is our generation who has the most access to information. We are the ones who live in an era of internet, social media, and artificial intelligence. We need to stand up and outvote the older generations of likes of Mitch McConnell. If not you and I, then who? I have a 6.5-year-old daughter. I, for one, I'm certainly not going to sit around and do nothing. Why the likes of snobby Ivy Leaguer Ted Cruz, the snowflake sociopath Marjorie Taylor Greene, and the used orange condom Donald Trump take away her rights? As for the rest of us, well, the decision is all yours. See you all at the ballot boxes.
This is a sad day for the country, in my view. But it doesn't mean the fight's over. Let me be very clear and unambiguous. The only way we can secure a woman's right to choose, the balance that existed, is for Congress to restore the protections of Roe v. Wade as federal law. No executive action from the president can do that. And if Congress, as it appears, lacks the votes to do that now, voters need to make their voices heard. This fall, we must elect more senators and representatives who will codify women's right to choose into federal law once again. Elect more state leaders to protect this right at the local level. We need to restore the protections of Roe as law of the land. We need to elect officials who will do that. This fall, Roe is on the ballot. Personal freedoms are on the ballot. The right to privacy, liberty, equality, they're all on the ballot.
To see more videos like this, click the subscribe button right here on the screen. And if you want to support my work, subscribe to my Medium account where I cover the most important topics daily. Also, look for my podcast coming very soon.